Arria NLG. Data is everywhere, but turning numbers into insights is often slow, manual, and confusing. That's where Arria NLG steps in. Founded in 2009 by pioneers from University of Aberdeen, Arria has become a global leader in natural language generation, an AI technology that transforms raw data into clear, human-like narratives. Here's what makes Arria powerful. Its patented NLG platform automatically explains complex data in plain language. It doesn't just describe numbers, it highlights patterns, anomalies, and key trends. It adapts to different industries from financial services and healthcare to compliance and business intelligence. Think of it this way. Instead of scrolling through endless dashboards, executives get instant reports written as if by a professional analyst. The platform is flexible too, offered both in the cloud and on-premises, depending on security needs. And with support for multiple languages, Arria helps global enterprises make better decisions faster. Over the years, Arria has raised more than $140 million, serves Fortune 500 companies, and continues to innovate with generative AI, making narratives more nuanced, context-aware, and industry-specific. Whether it's automating financial reports, summarizing patient records, or simplifying compliance documents, Arria NLG is redefining how businesses communicate with their data, turning complexity into clarity.